So shall we have a look at it first? And you can have a think what you think it might be and what you might think it might be, miss.
No.
And what the parents might think it might be. What do you think?
What do you think it is?
Do you want to have a little feel?
I think it's
Turn it round. Which animal you can see. Do you want to have a little feel at the different parts of it?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a
What
little
do you think it is?
You've got your magic finger.
You don't know yet.
Do you not want to touch it? That's okay.
That's fine.
That's okay.
Don't you feel point over touch?
Do you want to have a little touch?
So it feels like
Have a touch there. Yeah, and have a touch there as well. Just really gently.
It's scratchy,
Can you
isn't it?
see? Any ideas?
What
What on earth is that?
What is it, Caris, do you think?
You seen anything like it before? What are these then? What's it got? Has it got anything the same as you?
What's it got on its head?
Has it not?
What's his head?
I think it has.
What's he got in the middle?
Very quiet this one.
It's got two circles. What are they?
Eyes.
Eyes.
They're eyes, aren't they, like you've got? So any ideas? Has it got feet like you? Where do you think it lives? Where do you think it lives then? What are these bits on the side? Have you touched those?
Where do you think it
Touch
lives?
those?
Do you think it lives in the water?
Yeah.